This video is all about how to use your amazing ageLOC Boost microcurrent device. Congratulations on your purchase. It's really easy to use. There's a couple of things that are important for you to be aware of, so we're going to run through those. Where the boost fits into your skincare routine is the treatment stage. So a skincare routine generally consists of cleanse, tone, treat, which is where the boost fits in, moisturize, and then protect with sunscreen if it's during the day. So I've done my cleanse, I've done my Lumi Spa, I've popped on my priming solution or my toner, and now I'm ready to do my treatment. You only do this once a day. It doesn't matter whether you do it in the morning or the evening. I prefer to do it in the morning because who wouldn't want to have beautiful glowing skin all day long? So what you do is you swipe up to turn the device on. I hope you can see the lights. See, I have to turn it on an angle a bit, but you can see how the lights come on. Then what you do is you get your Boost activating serum, and it's really important that you use the activating serum, and you put 3 pumps of it onto the treatment head. I love that you put it directly onto the head because it's so hygienic. And then what you do is you dab that over 1/2 of your face. So we do 1/2 and then we do the other half after we've done this treatment. So dabbing it over just spreads the serum across the face, but it also spreads the serum across the treatment head. If the serum isn't spread across the treatment head, the device won't function properly and make a bit of a buzzing noise. Then you turn it on. Well, you've turned it on, but now you put it into treatment mode. So you swipe up again and it starts to make a noise. You won't be able to hear it, but it's like zzz, zzz, zzz. And then you move it across your face slowly in an upwards and outwards motion. You can also use it on your neck. Great for firming, giving you plumper and bouncier skin, and also reducing pigmentation and helping to reduce wrinkles. The serum is really remarkable. I've got a different video that's all about the serum, but it's got beautiful ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin B, 4 different types of hyaluronic acid, and some natural alpha hydroxy acids. Now this goes for 60 seconds, and then once it's finished, the device pauses, and then you do the other half of your face. It feels beautiful. You get an amazing boost of hydration. That's the first thing that you feel. And yeah, the changes that you notice in your skin over time are really wonderful. All right, so it's paused. You can see it's still turned on. The lights are still there. Then I put on 3 more pumps of the serum and dab it over the other half of my face, just to spread it around, and also again to make sure the treatment head is covered. And then you swipe up again to put it back into treatment mode. And again, it does that zzz, zzz, zzz. And then an upwards and an outwards motion. And once you've finished, that's the treatment part of your skincare done. You can just tap it gently into your skin if you feel like there's any excess on your skin. And then just let it absorb, maybe brush your teeth or something like that. And then continue on with moisturizing your skin, and if it's during the day, putting on your sunscreen. Okay, well, I hope that's been helpful. If for some reason you need to stop your treatment, all you need to do is swipe down, and that actually turns the device off. The lights go off, and then you're done, and you can just turn it back on again when you need it. I'll do another quick video on cleaning it, but just briefly, it's not waterproof. You can't immerse it in water like you can with the Lumi Spa, but you can run the treatment head under a tap, and you just wipe it over with a face washer just to get all of the serum out of the grooves. All right, congratulations once again. Hope you really enjoy using your ageLOC Boost.